I have a large Temu haul to share with you guys. You can order from Temu.com or download their app and order through there. Now, these items were sent to me, and I do have a coupon code to share with new users. It is sale7375, and that'll save you 30% off. And the shipping is really good. It's been less than 2 weeks for me. I'm here in California, and I absolutely love their stuff. It's so affordable, such good quality. So let's dive on in and see what they sent. So they sent me these pack of stickers. They are $1.50 a piece, and I don't know how many pieces are in here, but this is what they look like. They give you a very like vintage feel. And these are stickers, I believe. They feel like they'd be stickers. Let's see. Yes, that is a sticker. So there's that pack. Then here is another one. And I'll leave a link down below to all of these items. And I will also leave a link with just the regular website so you guys could go check them out and shop. I will also leave a link to the coupon code for you guys. So this looks like it's going to be very much a like sticker stationery haul. These are really cute if you want to build your own masterboard, or if you want to use these for ephemera pieces, or I think you've been making like an ATC. That's cute. That little girl's cute. You've been making a little ATC card. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah, total vintage vibes here. Super cute. Oh, I like that one. It looks like handwritten little scripts. So there's that one. Oh, look at that postage stamp. You guys know I'm a sucker for stamps. I think this pack is my favorite one, which is this one. And then here is the last pack of this kind. I like that front picture right there. That's really nice. Oh, I like this one too. Oh, this one's really cute too. Oh my gosh, there's like little vintage clowns. I love that. Okay, this one is my favorite, I think now. So those were $1.50 for each pack. So I also got a bunch of these sticker packs. Now these do range in price. So I have like Disney Winnie the Pooh here. These were $1.98, and it looks like it was a quantity of 50. So we'll do a quick little like flip through of what you get. Oh, I like that one. Oh, they're in the rain. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I need to use this for me and Sunny. I love these so much. You guys know me, anything Disney, I'm all about. I want to go to this one next. I'm really excited. This one looks like it's definitely my style. This was $1.28, and it has, oh, it doesn't say, this is one size. Oh, these are very cool. These are going to be perfect for like Halloween time. Ooh, I really like these. Now, these are stickers as well. This was $1.98, and these are boho stickers, and you get 50 pieces. Oh, these are like very glossy, like the Winnie the Pooh ones. Oh, these are beautiful. These are very cool. Oh, love that one. So definitely like Halloween vibes over here. Then we have coffee, and this was $1.79. This is 49 pieces. I don't know why. So, oh, these are like a mat. Well, I guess it's like tea. Yeah, like tea or coffee, I guess. These are pretty. These are very colorful. Oh, look at that. It's like a little like circus themed coffee. These are cute. A little like crystals there. Little like space. Oh, these are very cute. Ooh, look at that. And this one, oh my gosh, so excited. So this one is just Travel USA map. It was $1.48, and I really want to create a book because it's on our bucket list to go to all of the states. So I really want to create a book where we can write down the dates that we go to each state and like what we did there. I think it would be so fun. So I definitely want to put that book together and put those stickers in there. Then we have this one. It was 50 stickers. It's $1.98. This reminds me of Rapunzel, like the little moon thing that she paints. Oh, this is like spell book, so definitely like Halloween. So there's those. I think this is another set of the coffee. And this one different. Yeah, those look the same. So I think that's the same pack there. Then we have this one right here, which is glossy. Does that match this one? I think this is the same as that one right there. Yeah, that one's the same. So next up we have these, and these were $1.48, and it's not washi because you can't see through it. So it's just like a roll of stickers, and it actually has for you to be able to just pull these apart to be like little tickets or little ephemera pieces. I'm not sure if you can see like the little lines right here. So they're just ready to pull apart and for you to go ahead and use them. So that's really cool. I haven't seen like a little sticker roll like that before. So they had a bunch of different varieties, but I got 3 of those. These little books were $2.68. Definitely keep the cover for your junk journal. And then look, you guys know how much I love tickets. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets, it looks like, of each design. So there's that next set of tickets, and then it goes into some blues, and then into some greens. And then in this one, it was the same thing, $2.68. So I don't know what those look like. Like little checks, and then like little checklist. And these are stickers. There's the next one, water source. And then it goes into green. So these, you can do the same thing. These will cut apart. So it has where you can just go ahead and rip it apart. And then these feel like a washi, but let's see. Yes, these are like a washi sticker. That's what those look like. Here we have more tickets. These were $1.98 for each book. And you do get 2 pages, it looks like, of each design. So this is like the butterfly floral set. This is vintage love the coffee right there. Like vintage advertising, that kind of looks like. And then we have this one that's like in black and white. Then we have a little fairy one. Really pretty. And these are the same thing. You could just go ahead and tear them apart. So it's all set for you to go. Then I got a box cutter for 98 cents. Then they sent me this notebook. Oh, the pages are blank inside. And this was 88 cents. Oh, that's pretty. It's got like a gold shimmer in the background. So there's those. We have these little books right here. These are $1.09. And it's basically, the cover is what's inside. So this is our black and white themed. So you can just see there's just pictures. And these are stickers. We have red. So everything in here is basically red, and these are stickers. Oh, I love that one. Oh, see, these are beautiful. Love those. Then this is pink and blue. So that's what that looks like. And then we have a blue set. Oh, clouds, pretty. Purple. Oh, those are really pretty. Then dark blue. Ooh, jellyfish. And then we have yellow. Not sure if they have any more colors, if that was all the colors that they have. Then this set was $1.98, and it comes like in this little like perfume bottle packaging. And then here are the stickers. So it has silver foil on this one. This one has gold foil. And then there's different designs. And the designs are right here. And then these babies, oh my gosh. These are so pretty. These were 79 cents, you guys. Oh my goodness, they are beautiful. Look at how pretty these are. These are just absolutely beautiful. Love the yellow. I've been really digging yellow lately. So let's open one of these. So you get 3 sheets in each pack. Let me turn those over. Oh, that one doesn't show. So there's that one. There's your 3 sheets there. Here are your 3 sheets for these. Then your next set. And that one right there. So let's open one of these. Oh, these are so pretty. So they are like a see-through sticker, but so much pretty, like sparkly, hollow foil to them. They're just so, so pretty. I see these and I just want to make like little tiny ATC cards. Ooh, these red rose flowers are going to be perfect for my Alice in Wonderland junk journal. And then there are these borders, which are like the same thing as the other one. So these were $1.28. And it's the same thing. They're like these like clear strips of stickers. And they come in different patterns. So that's one pack. And I don't know how many pieces come in here. And then here is the other pack right there. So you can see like all the different designs right there. $1.28 for each one of those little lacy sticker packs. Then we have these paper packs. These are $3.38 and they come with this beautiful little vellum band. Definitely save those. And then the back shows you all the different designs that you get. So do a little flip through of this one. This one reminds me of like stained glass. Then we have a floral one. And here are all your different images for this one. Oh, this one's really pretty. Really, really pretty. Let me know down below in the comments, what would you use these for? Like, what would you create with them? Would you use them for like a card base? You know, what about like junk journal page? Let me know. Give me some ideas on how I could go ahead and use these paper packs up. I love the vintage. It's just so pretty. So I think you get 3 of each page, right? 2. 2 of each page. And here's the last one, our little angel one. So there's the back. Just beautiful. And these can like, you can intermix these as well. These are really, really pretty. Take some from here, and kind of just like mix and match them. Then I have stickers here. There's 40 pieces. These were $1.24. Again, these are just like little see-through. So we got yellow. We have purple. We have kind of like a mix of like wild flowers. Then we have, are these tulips? I think so, right? Ooh, mushrooms. Oh, that's fun. I love that. I might need another pack of those. Then we have like leaves and greenery. This one's like a different kind of a package here. So we have more purple flowers with some like leaves. Ooh, we have, let me see. This was $1.58 and these packs were $1.29. Then we have butterflies for $1.88. So we have like orange and like brown. Have like pinks and we have greens. I wonder if there's a blue. I would definitely want to go and buy the blue butterflies if that is an option. So I have these paper packs right here. So this is like an outer space galaxy. They are double-sided paper. They are 6 by 6. These were $1.58. It doesn't tell me how many pieces you get. I would maybe guess 50. This pack was $1.58 as well. And again, it's like a galaxy double-sided paper. So I had said before I wanted to get these papers because I want to do 1,000 cranes. Sunny and I were watching something and they were talking about, you know, making 1,000 cranes to get like one wish or to have a lifetime of good luck. And I just thought that was beautiful. And how fun and how happy would you be if you just found like a little paper crane like sitting in the park, or if you went to like the grocery store and it's just on the shelf just sitting there waiting for you. So I thought that would be really fun to go ahead and do. So I want to try to make them. Hopefully I can figure it out. This one is giving me like Mulan vibes. Very, very pretty. I could definitely use this for some Disney, you know, scrapbooking. So there's that. And then for $1.58 as well, I have some paper packs. So this top part is vellum. And then when you open it, you get more vellum patterned. So how pretty is that? There's 1, 2, 3 of each design, it looks like. Just really, really gorgeous. So there's blue. We have green. Really fun. Really, really pretty. And then we have red. Let me know, what do you guys use your vellum for? I don't know. I was thinking about just layering it over maybe some like coffee dye paper. I think that might be pretty. Not these particularly because I have like a lot of design, but I've also made like little envelopes out of the vellum. So let me know down below, what do you guys use your vellum for? Give me some new ideas. And then I have 2 more paper packs over here. And these were $2.38. And this is another like galaxy one. I like that it's double-sided. So I think that's going to be really pretty when I turn these into cranes, because they'll just be like really colorful. Then we got another like Japanese cherry blossom one here. Oh, I like that one on the left side over there. That blue. This would be really pretty if I had a little bit of like gold foiling in it. I think that would be really, really nice. So there's those. So you guys, let me know down below in the comment section, did you guys like this style of video where I kind of paused everything, opened it up to show you guys detailed what everything looks like? Or do you prefer, like I was doing before, where I just kind of showed everything through the packaging and then it was a quicker video? Because this video definitely does take longer. So I'd love to know what you guys think and what your opinion is on how I should be putting these videos together. But other than that, like I said, I'll leave a link down below to everything for you guys. And I hope you guys are having a fabulous day and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.